we need to talk. So I've been noticing you haven't added me on TikTok yet. I doubt you even know that I'm on TikTok. Well, TikTok, because time is running out. Right now, go to TikTok, follow me. I will copy and paste uh, the the link in to my description on my YouTube channel. I will also add uh, something else. So on TikTok, I do vlogs. Uh, I've recently developed tics, really bad. I mean, not recently. I've had a few before, but they've not gotten this bad. Also, um, I'm gonna be making a new YouTube channel. Be excited, guys. I'm excited. Basically, um, actually, no, I'm not. I'll do the same shit on the same channel. Vlogs. I might be going camping later. It's gonna be great. But there are people walking up to me and I'm talking to a phone, so bye.